High-precision digital clamp meter with light resistance measurement. Resistance, buzzer. DC voltage, AC voltage, AC current measurement. Precision comparison. Compared with the multimeter, the value is very accurate. AC voltage measurement using transformer. DC voltage measurement using DC regulated power supply. DC voltage measurement using 9-volt battery and coin cell battery. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. AC current measurement. Necessary in series when measuring. Buzzer to detect whether the line is on or off. Data retention can keep the current value for easy recording.